Alright, we're recording the sewer line here at 825 16th Avenue in Seattle, Washington. The date is March 4th, 2021. I'm making this recording from the downstairs basement access. There is a test tee in the line right now for some new plumbing. I'm using that test tee as the access point. Coming back from the city main here, so this is the Seattle city main. We've zeroed out the footage down there, so we're going to come back and get a look at this line. This is 6-inch diameter clay piping. See, we've got a couple of turns as we get down to the main, and a seam every 2 feet or so in the pipe. Those seams are what allows roots to intrude, and you'll see that as we come back. There is pretty good, significant root intrusion throughout this line. There we have a tie-in to the line. So there is a branch arm coming into the line immediately as we go into the 6-inch pipe. So as we come back into here, this is now 4-inch diameter clay pipe. This is 6-inch diameter. Right here is the transition point. So it's going from 4-inch to 6-inch, and it also has a branch arm tie-in. We're going to have to locate this spot to proceed with any project. So we're going to pause the video and locate the spot. Okay, we're going to continue the recording, continue coming back from this point. So it looks like we've got, we'll call it 41 feet of 6-inch diameter pipe before we come back into this 4-inch diameter. We'll zero the footage out now that we're in the 4-inch diameter. Now we're running along kind of the south side of the house. Well, never mind. We're still in the driveway. Excuse me. Big root there, taking up a good 90% of the pipe. Big root there, taking up maybe 60%. Big root there again, taking up a good percentage of the pipe. So you see there's quite a few of those really big root intrusions as we come back through this 4-inch diameter section that's running along the house. We've got some root coming in there. Hard to tell if there's any tie-ins on there just because there's so much roots in here. It's very difficult to see. And you come back and around another sharp turn here, and back into the cast iron pipe that's a part of this line. So comes out as cast iron pipe for the first some odd feet. We come back into the ABS here and up out of the tee that we're using to make this recording from. I'm going to end the video there.